Hi everyone, welcome to this Well Wednesday. My name is Kennedy and I'm a Term 2 nursing student at Winona Rochester, and I'm also a member of Student Health and Wellness Advocates Club. Today I'm just going to be giving you some myths and facts for the COVID-19 vaccine so you can make your own informed decision. First, I'm just going to say that all of my information, the myths and facts, came from Mayo Clinic's blog for COVID-19. They have very well written, easy to understand information if you need follow-up information or if you're just curious about something. So first, I'm just going to start by talking about how the COVID-19 vaccine works in your own body. So this vaccine is made up of viral mRNA. And mRNA is a normal thing that is in your body already. So you can think of mRNA as instructions for something. So these instructions are used in your body to make protein pieces. Your body notices that these pieces do not belong in the body and that they are new, so this stimulates your immune response because they don't know what they are and they need to respond in some way. So once your immune response is stimulated, that will start making your antibodies against COVID-19. So the end result is that your body has learned and stored information of how to fight COVID-19, and if you are exposed again naturally, then your body will have that knowledge and background to say, I know how to fight COVID because I have the antibodies for it. So starting with the first myth. COVID-19 vaccines contain microchips developed to control people. And the fact, there is no vaccine microchip. The vaccine cannot track people or gather personal information. This myth was built after comments and rumors about digital certificates of vaccine records. When you think about it, your everyday devices, your smartphone, Apple Watch, even apps like Snapchat, they track your location all the time, whether you know it or realize it. But the COVID-19 vaccine will not track you. On to myth 2. I already had COVID-19, so I don't need to get the vaccine. Studies have shown that they do not know how long your natural immunity lasts for COVID-19. There is some saying that it lasts for 90 days, your natural immunity. It's recommended to receive the COVID-19 vaccine even if you have been infected already, so your body can have that background knowledge and information of how to fight COVID if you were exposed again. And it also was recommended to wait 90 days after your diagnosis just because of that whole immunity timeline, and it is not recommended to receive the vaccine if you are in quarantine or experiencing symptoms of COVID. And on to myth 3. There are severe side effects of the COVID-19 vaccines. So yes, for a fact there is side effects. The side effects are very similar to those of a flu shot even, that is offered every year. They are seeing short-term mild or moderate vaccine reactions. In the early stage studies of this vaccine, 15% of those who received the vaccine had short-term injection site reactions. So that could be a sore muscle, tender at the site of injection. And then 50% of those people developed systematic side effects seen throughout their whole body. So again, very similar symptoms to a flu vaccine. Muscle aches, body aches, maybe a low-grade fever, just a feeling of tiredness. That's the same kind of symptoms that you'll get with any type of vaccine that tells you that your immune response is stimulated and your body is working to learn how to fight this virus. And on to the last myth. The COVID-19 vaccine isn't safe because it was developed rapidly. And yes, the COVID-19 vaccine was developed more rapidly than we've ever seen a vaccine being developed. And it is common to hear worries and concerns about how fast it was developed. So before the vaccine was released for the public, they did a whole study on it. So this vaccine has been deemed an emergency response because we were seeing so many worldwide effects that we didn't know how to respond to. So there was a 2-month study following early recipients, and the study was actually done on 30,000 people for the one type of vaccine, and they were followed for 2 months, and they followed the side effects that these people experienced and their overall health in response to the vaccine. And once that study is done and it is deemed healthy and safe, then the vaccine can be considered an emergency response. And just ending on some resources for you. So Health and Wellness Services at Winona is registered and ready to give you your vaccine when the date comes. I believe college students are included in phase 2 of the vaccine distribution. So we're gearing up for that, and we are ready to give you a vaccine when that time comes. Health and Wellness Services will be posting more information about the COVID-19 vaccine. I believe there's some more blogs coming up and more Well Wednesdays on it on all of our social media, so Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And then Ask a Nurse, that's where we would recommend going to if you need more information about the vaccine or when we can receive the vaccine. So you can call or email Ask a Nurse at 507-457-2292 or askanurse@winona.edu. So then here's just another rundown. Counseling services is always a good one if you need that kind of information. So that is the end of this Well Wednesday. I hope that this myths and facts can help you in some kind of way to make your decision, and thank you for listening.